Ta-da! So it's second day and it's dried up. Next, we're ready. I am ready to peel the tape. So yeah, this is it. Looks good. How big is this thing? Got some marks here. So today is the second day. This wall has been dried up, and yeah, I'm really excited. There are some bumps, blotches, but I think that is okay. Yesterday when I started the project, the paint appears very blue, so I thought it was blue, and then I did some research, and actually it became black after it dried up. So it appears bluish when you open the can, and then it dried up. Next, my daughter has been saying, can I, take off the tape? Would you please let me take off the tape? So I'm gonna find a perfect time to get rid of the tape with her. And we're thinking about to do so many things on this chalkboard, but the first thing we still need to get the chalks and maybe a projector. So we'll see. Very excited.
My mom made this really cute chalk paint. Let's peel the tape off to see the results. Can I peel now?
Yes. So we have a problem. Look, like why the paint went into the tape. The line is not even. Anybody knows the problem here? The first dish against my new background. Yes.
What?
What are you doing? So we just seasoned the chalkboard. Okay, a lot of dust. And we're gonna have a lot of creations. Follow for more.